Hello everyone, Namaste, welcome to Times Health Plus. I am Apurva, your yoga instructor, and I come here every day to teach you, to guide you, to practice with you all beautiful practitioners. It's honestly a privilege to be able to guide you people in your beautiful yoga journeys. To all the new practitioners who are joining us for the first time, thank you so much for joining Times Health Plus. A special namaste to you. I'm so glad that you're starting your journey with Times Health Plus. We will begin our practice. For that, we will go back on our mats comfortably. We are now practicing our Prasarita Padottanasana, wide spread forward fold. Okay. For this, we will first do it actively and then we'll do it passively. Meaning, you will keep the legs open, okay, as wide as possible, maintaining a stable posture. यानी कि आप लेग्स को उतना ही खोलेंगे जितना आप उसे कंट्रोल कर पाएँ. Instead of struggling in the posture, keep it at a distance where you can comfortably stand and stay upright. From there, you will keep your hands on the waist this way. You will keep the chest out, pushing the hip back. You will reach, 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 and you will try to give me a hold here. 90 डिग्री एंगल पे आप इस पोज को होल्ड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. अगर आपको ये बहुत ही मुश्किल लगता है, आप इसे ब्लॉक सपोर्टेड कर सकते हैं. यानी कि यू कैन प्लेस योर हैंड्स ऑन द ब्लॉक दिस वे विथ मिनिमल सपोर्ट. कम से कम सपोर्ट के साथ आप इस पोज को होल्ड करेंगे. अगर आपके पास ब्लॉक नहीं है, यू कैन डू द सेम थिंग ऑन द चेयर. यू विल यूज़ द चेयर. You will maintain a good distance, you will reach, and you can take minimal support from the chair this way. Once we are done with the active variation, we will come up and then we will slowly fold down and we will now rest our hands down on the floor. We will do it nicely, touching the hands down. दोनों postures को करेंगे actively and passively. Actively यानी कि आप अपने muscle strength को use करके posture को hold करेंगे. Passively यानी कि you will let gravity pull you down. Okay, let's try everyone. Legs को खोलेंगे, chest out, core engaged, pushing the hip out, chest forward, inhale, exhale, we reach, try to hinge from the hip, try folding from the hip, maintain a flat back, stay for 10, 9, try not to use your hands. If it's very hard, you can take minimal support from the chair. 7, 6, keep your feet very, very firm. 5, 4, 3, hold everyone. 2, 1, and slowly coming up. Good job. Relax. You feel that stretch happening in the back side of the body, in your hamstring, in your calves, in your glutes. That will happen in your Prasarita Padottanasana. Okay, it's a beautiful, nice inversion with your legs open. Breathe everyone. We will now do it again. This time you will try touching your hands and completely releasing down in your widespread fold as much as you can. Okay. Now you can use blocks if you want to. I am putting the chair away because we will not need it. So let's do it together everyone. Legs open, feet facing forward. Inhale as you push the chest out, hip back, lead with your chin. Exhale, you try reaching, 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 hinge from the hip. Gently try touching your fingertips or your hands. अगर ये possible नहीं है, आप अपने हाथों को block पर रख सकते हैं, okay? And you will stay there. Let's spend 30 seconds here with eyes closed. Release down. Advanced practitioners, you can try maybe touching the elbows down to the floor if it's possible. Stay there everyone. Deep breaths. Hold. Completely release the hands. Release the spine. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly everyone come back up and relax. Get the foot in, breathe, rest. Again, we will just take a moment here to observe, to reflect back, to notice how the body feels. Notice your breath, your thoughts. Amazing, everyone. This was your widespread forward fold, your second inversion for the class. Now let's quickly watch the third inversion, which is very similar to what we just did, except that this time your legs will be together. Okay, you will try to keep your feet together. If together is hard for you, hip distance also works. Okay, we will do the same exact thing. आप अपने हाथों को आपकी कमर पे रखेंगे. You will push the hip back, chest forward. This is very important. Okay, instead of folding the spine like that, we will try to lengthen the spine. We will try to push the hip back, and then you will try to reach. We will hold this for 10 counts actively. Advanced practitioners, आप अपने हाथों को आगे रख सकते हैं this way to make it challenging. We will come up and then we will fully fold forward and we will hold it for 30 seconds. Let's try it together, everyone. Feet down, hands on your waist. Inhale, push the chest forward, hip back, and gently as you exhale, try to reach. Make sure you make a 90-degree angle from the spine. If your body allows, you can go more as long as the back stays flat. Stay for 10, 9. If this is very hard for you, you can take a slight support from the block. 7, 6, 5, 4, keep holding, 3, 2, 1, and gently, everyone, come up, breathe, relax. Try not to move a lot, okay? In your yoga practice, try to be as still and less distracted as possible. If you really want to benefit from your postures, the key is stillness. Yoga is all about mastering stillness over movement. So yes, we are practicing movement and we are practicing some exercises, some drills here and there, but the idea is to do them with as much control and as much as stillness as possible. Okay? Breathe. We'll do the same posture now with our hands down, completely releasing down. Padahastasana, full forward fold. Inhale, everyone, lift, lengthen your spine. And exhale, we release down completely, touch the chest down, head down, hands down, and hold. Now here you can absolutely bend your knees if you wish, or you could put your hands on the block, supported, stay there. Keep your eyes closed and just focus on your deep breathings. Keep holding, everyone, keep holding. Connect to the sound of your breath. Very slowly, we will come up, we will push back up and we will relax. Just stand in your Tadasana, deep breaths. Again, just take a moment to reflect back, to notice how the body is feeling. And amazing, everyone. From there, we will gently sit down on the mat this way. Okay, we are done with 3 inversions. We practiced 3 inversions. Now we will practice our 4th inversion, for which I want you all to sit, rest and watch me. एक बार मुझे closely देख ले. I will give you 2 variations, one with the block, one without the block, of course. With block it's better because your back will be rested. So आप में से जिनके पास भी blocks हो, make sure you use a block under the hip. I will show you what I mean by that. You will gently lie down, okay, with your legs folded, Feet will be hip distance. Knees are roughly above the feet this way. Hands by your side. Just how we practice our Setu Bandhasana, the bridge pose, the simple bridge that we practice a lot. We'll do the same bridge, but today we will try to place a block under our sacrum. Sacrum is the lowermost part of your spine. तो अगर आप sacrum नहीं समझते हैं, just try to place this block on the butt, on the starting of your hip. So the line where the lower back ends and the hip starts, that part. Okay, you will comfortably find that sweet spot wherein the lower back ends and the hip starts, and you will try to rest your hip gently on the block. If you don't have a block, people, you will of course, you will keep your hands here. कोशिश करें कि आप अपने हाथों को बैक पे इस तरीके से प्लेस करें, and for this you can pick up the heels so you have more space. This way you can do a supported Setu Bandhasana where you can relax your hips on your hands. Of course, it's best done with blocks. पर अगर आपके पास blocks ना हो, then you can use your hands. Okay, everyone, let's try this. We will hold this for 45 seconds to 60 seconds, slightly longer. Everyone, bring the hip up. Place the block gently under your sacrum, the lowermost part of your spine, where your spine ends, where the hip starts. Feet hip distance, hands by your side. And just try to completely let go, release. You'll feel some stretch in the abdomen, in the stomach, and that's absolutely correct. Notice how the heart is above the head, a nice mild inversion. Deep breaths. Keep staying, deep breaths from the stomach, relax the body. Stay for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and slowly everyone, gently take the block out and relax and rest. Breathe. Rest. Notice how your spine, how the hip feels. Last but not the least everyone, make sure you're following Times Health Plus on your social media handles so you get all the updates and all the wellness tips we send across your way. I will see you next class everyone. Till then, you know the drill. You will keep your spine up, posture nicely erect, a smile on your face. You will be kind, polite to yourself and to everyone else. And you'll always have a smiling face. You'll always be grateful. Thank you so much everyone. Namaste.